Good day, everyone. This month, Shri and I are unable to join you for our regular virtual connect, so we are connecting with you via this video. Rest assured, the essence of our connection remains strong, and we are excited to share with you what we've planned in the upcoming months together. To start with, let's take a moment to reflect on your experiences over this past month. How did it feel to reflect on the positive and some not so positive turning points in your life? How have these moments shaped your beliefs and who you are today, both positively as well as not so positively? It was truly heartwarming and intriguing to see some of the reflections shared in the chat and how these turning points have the power to shape our lives far and beyond the moments themselves. Thank you to everyone who've shared, and your openness is truly inspiring. For those who haven't shared yet, we encourage you to dive in. Remember, it's like learning to swim. You can't master the art of learning to swim sitting beside a pool and reading a book about how to swim. The theory is nice, but it's not until you take that plunge that will make you truly learn. Similarly, in our journey to build the mental and holistic wellness muscle, it is about taking that first step, however imperfect it may seem. Don't worry about how well or poorly you write or how perfect your words are, or is your grammar or spellings right or whatever. I mean, this is a safe space for an honest expression. The goal is to strengthen our mental muscles together. Looking ahead, September sets an exciting stage for us as Shri leads us through a focus on happiness. This month, we will be exploring what it means to be happy and how happiness comes to us from various sources. It could be moments we live, it could be experiences, activities, people, relationships, environments, and so on. We will take a deep dive into these areas and discover where our true happiness lies. Why working on being happy is important? Well, happiness is not just a fleeting emotion, it is a sense of well being that permeates through our actions and overall outlook in life. When we focus on our happiness, we not only uplift ourselves, but also create a very positive ripple effect across those around us. So let's use this month as an opportunity to explore, understand, and cultivate happiness through meaningful ways. Participate wholeheartedly. We look forward to all your shares every single day. See you around.